Our current electrical grid is a marvel of engineering. It has served us well for over a century, but it's showing its age. The grid is a one-way street. Power plants generate electricity. They send it through long-distance transmission lines. Finally, it reaches homes and businesses. This system is inefficient. It's also vulnerable to outages. A single failure can cascade through the system. We need a smarter grid for the 21st century, one that's more efficient, reliable, and sustainable. Enter the smart grid. It's not just a grid, it's a network. It uses digital technology to modernize the way we produce and consume electricity. Imagine a grid that can think, it can sense problems, it can heal itself. This is the promise of the smart grid. Smart grids use sensors, computers, and communication networks. They collect and analyze data in real time. This data allows for better decision-making. With a smart grid, electricity flows more efficiently. Outages are reduced. We can even integrate renewable energy sources more easily. The benefits of smart grids are numerous. Let's explore a few key advantages. Cost savings. Smart grids help us save money on our electricity bills. They reduce energy waste. They optimize grid operations. Improved reliability. Imagine fewer blackouts. Smart grids detect and isolate faults. This leads to a more reliable power supply. Environmental impact. Smart grids help us fight climate change. They integrate renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Smart grids are not just a futuristic concept. They are a reality in many parts of the world. In Europe, the EU has invested heavily in smart grid projects. These projects are improving grid reliability and integrating renewable energy. In the United States, cities like Boulder, Colorado are leading the way. Boulder's smart grid program has reduced outages and empowered consumers. These examples demonstrate the tangible benefits of smart grid technology. They offer a glimpse into a future powered by smart, sustainable electricity. Section 5. Smart grid challenges. Obstacles on the path to progress. While the benefits are clear, smart grid implementation faces challenges. These hurdles must be overcome to fully realize the potential of this technology. One significant challenge is the high initial cost of deployment. Upgrading infrastructure requires substantial investment from governments and utilities. Another obstacle is the need for standardized technologies and protocols. Interoperability between different systems is crucial for seamless grid operation. Addressing these challenges will pave the way for widespread smart grid adoption and unlock its transformative potential. Section 6. Cybersecurity and smart grids, protecting the grid from virtual threats. As we increasingly rely on digital technologies, cybersecurity becomes paramount. The integration of these technologies into our power grids has revolutionized how we manage and distribute electricity, but it also introduces new vulnerabilities. Smart grids, with their interconnected systems, are potentially vulnerable to cyber attacks. These attacks can target various points in the network, from individual devices to the central control systems. Imagine hackers disrupting power supply or manipulating electricity prices. Such disruptions could lead to widespread blackouts, economic losses, and even threats to national security. Such scenarios highlight the critical importance of robust cybersecurity measures. Implementing strong firewalls, antivirus software, and secure data centers are just the beginning. Protecting the smart grid requires a multi-layered approach. This means not only defending against external threats, but also ensuring internal systems are resilient and can recover quickly from any breaches. This includes securing communication networks, implementing intrusion detection systems, and continuously monitoring for any suspicious activities. Ensuring the integrity of data is crucial. Accurate data transmission and verification help maintain the reliability of the grid and prevent misinformation from causing disruptions. By prioritizing cybersecurity, we can mitigate risks and ensure the safe and reliable operation of our smart grid infrastructure. This proactive approach not only protects our energy supply but also builds trust in the technology that powers our modern world. Section 7. The future of smart grids. A vision of sustainable power. As we look ahead, The potential for smart grids to revolutionize our energy systems is immense. The future of smart grids is bright. These grids will integrate renewable energy sources seamlessly, ensuring a constant and reliable supply of power. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative solutions for a sustainable energy future. From advanced energy storage systems to cutting-edge grid management software, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where homes and businesses generate their own clean energy. Solar panels on rooftops and wind turbines in backyards will become commonplace. They can even store and sell excess power back to the grid. Home battery storage systems will allow for energy independence and resilience. Electric vehicles can play a crucial role. Not only will they reduce emissions, but they will also serve as mobile power sources. They can act as mobile energy storage units. This vehicle-to-grid technology will enable cars to supply power back to the grid during peak demand times. This further enhances grid stability and reduces our carbon footprint. By integrating renewable energy sources, we can create a more resilient and sustainable power system. The smart grid is not just about technology. It's about creating a more sustainable and equitable energy system for everyone. It's about creating a more sustainable and equitable energy system for everyone. Community solar projects and equitable energy access initiatives will ensure that the benefits of clean energy are shared by all. Section 8. Our role in the smart grid revolution, empowering a sustainable future. This section delves into the collaborative efforts required to transition to a smarter, more efficient energy grid. The transition to a smart grid requires a collective effort from all sectors of society. It's not just a technological upgrade, but a societal shift towards sustainability. Governments, utilities, businesses, and individuals all have a role to play in this transformation. Each stakeholder brings unique strengths and responsibilities to the table. Governments can provide incentives for smart grid investments and develop supportive policies. By creating a favorable regulatory environment, they can encourage innovation and investment in renewable energy sources. Utilities must embrace innovation and upgrade their infrastructure. This includes installing smart meters, enhancing grid reliability, and integrating renewable energy sources into the existing grid. Businesses can adopt energy-efficient technologies and participate in demand response programs. By doing so, they not only reduce their carbon footprint, but also contribute to the overall efficiency of the energy grid. Individuals can become informed energy consumers and embrace smart home technologies. Simple actions like using smart thermostats, energy-efficient appliances, and monitoring energy usage can make a significant difference. By working together, we can accelerate the smart grid revolution and create a cleaner, more sustainable energy future for generations to come. This collective effort will ensure that our energy systems are resilient, efficient, and capable of meeting the demands of the future. Section 9. Conclusion. Smart. The smart grid represents a paradigm shift in how we generate, distribute, and consume electricity. It's a transformative technology with the potential to address pressing global challenges. By embracing smart grids, we can build a more resilient, efficient, and sustainable energy future. This will benefit our economy. The journey towards a fully realized smart grid may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. Let us seize this opportunity and create a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow.